Hello and welcome back to Tom's Talks and a happy new year to you all. My first shopping video, unboxing video of 2020, so hopefully you guys had a great time over the Christmas period. So I wanted to share with you my very first Louis Vuitton purchase of 2020. It's something that newly came in January, and I thought I always wanted this kind of product, but the new pattern out, new hardware, and that kind of made me go for it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned for the unboxing. So I'll start off and show you guys the wee bag. Since Christmas is over, we're now back to the traditional orange with the blue handles for Louis Vuitton, which is totally fine because actually I quite like both. I know throughout the year hopefully we'll get some exciting packaging throughout the year, but the traditional packaging, this is Louis Vuitton, kind of embossed red lettering on the bag. This is the smallest bag, so you can kind of guess what's going to be in here. We'll start off with the least exciting thing, which is kind of your receipt. I actually also managed to get a little sample of the Mille Feu perfume. That's just for my mum, just have a wee sniff at. I have got her the code Vuitton, it's one to do with the heart, and then the launch later on in 2019. And I got that for Christmas and she's loving it, so I thought I'd pick up another sample. And this is the little box in question. We've got the nice white ribbon, Louis Vuitton printed on the back. I do like the fact it's like a little drawer, it's quite cool. And I've all seen these before, a little Louis Vuitton square that allows you to just like pull out the blank card and you can write a personalised message in there if you wish. So as you can see, we've got a little box here, it slides out like a tray, which is pretty cool. We've got the Louis Vuitton dust bag, so open it up. And as you can see, it's the Louis Vuitton key pouch in the Damier Graphite canvas with the silver hardware. We do have Louis Vuitton engraved on the zip there, and it opens up nice and handy, and you can get the wee kind of clip. This is my first time actually buying a key pouch. I didn't realise you have to spring load it. It's not like a normal clip if you're going like rock climbing or anything like that. You have to push that up and down to clip back in. You've got Louis Vuitton also engraved there in that piece of silver hardware at the end there, so it's clipping inside your bag or whatever, but I'll probably use this for like my keys and cards. Inside you've got the grain leather lining, and you've got the silver kind of print or the hot stamping of Louis Vuitton Paris. This particular piece is made in France. And you've just got like this textile card coated fabric calf leather interior lining. Yeah, and it's just quite a nice little piece. I said I haven't really seen this at all. I've not really seen it on YouTube, couldn't see it advertised actually on the website, but only when I went in the shop after reserving the traditional LV brown monogram with the gold hardware, they actually had this in stock, and in the shop, so I picked it up. And I thought, yeah, I'll go for it a bit more masculine for myself, and just because I hadn't seen it before, something a bit different, and it also kind of matches my wallet, however that is the kind of brown checks instead of the grey. But it's added to the collection, I guess. So yeah, I'll use it at this and I'll let you know in the next video how I get on using this piece. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching Tom's Talks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, especially if you're a Louis Vuitton fan. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tom's Talks below for future unboxing videos, maybe some luxury good videos coming up as well in the future. I do try and upload fairly regularly, so if you are interested, please don't forget to subscribe. And also share with your friends and comment below your thoughts on this video or any of the other things you'd like to see coming up in 2020. That'd be great. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!